I'm going to be teaching you how to cure a molcajete today. You might be able to see that I have a bit of an obsession with molcajetes. It's part of my story. This is the original of our families. This is my abuelita's that she walked across the border and between California and Mexico with her over 100 years ago, and I have it. And I use it all the time, primarily to make salsas and grind garlic. It smells so much like garlic, which is fantastic. And I use this one for my worm dishes, for my queso fundidos, and my camarones con tequila, and other dishes that I make. And this is our new one, the newest member to the family, the Molcajete family for Mole Mama. And this one I'm going to be helping you learn how to cure today, so that you too, if you get a new molcajete in your family, can get it ready to use. And the reason why it has to be cured is that this is made from a volcanic rock, and it has some loose rocks in it and it has some dust. And so we're going to be curing it so that you can use it. And like mine, it's going to start picking up the flavors that you use in it. And it's going to add that magic and that next level of Mexican cooking for you. Let's get started. So we're going to use rice and some salt, and we're going to grind it out to clean it out so we make sure that we get all those loose bits of dust and rock out of it before we start using it. So we're just going to add some rice, add a little salt, and we're going to take our tejolote and we're going to start grinding. Now, this is going to feel like a workout. And you might get some rice thrown as well. But trust me, it's going to be well worth it. Slowly turning into a powder, and there is definitely a gray color to it. I can see the rocks and the dirt in it. So as soon as I get this more finely ground, I'm going to remove it. I'm using my escabeta, which is just a brush made out of root. You can use any kitchen brush to remove the rice powder from your molcajete. And we're going to start over. We're going to add some rice and salt again, because what I need to see is that rice powder to be nice and white and clean. And then I know that I have completed this step of curing my molcajete. Now this is a lot of work right now, but we only need to cure it once. We won't ever have to do this again. You can see that the second bowl with the rice powder is much cleaner than the first, so we are ready for the final step. We are going to wash our molcajete next. We're going to run the water using our escabeta to really get all the rice powder out of the molcajete, running the water through it. And what we want to see is we're going to run this water and keep rinsing it out until we have clear water. The last step in the process, drying the molcajete. You want to make sure that you air dry it. I wiped out some of the excess water with a towel, and I'm leaning on its side against the tejolote. It'll dry nicely like that. You can also flip it over. I usually keep mine on my counter, so it's not a big deal for me, but if you're going to put them into a cupboard, you want to make sure that they're nice and dry before you use them. Your molcajete is ready to go. Please check out our channel for other molcajete tips and recipes. We're going to help you take your Mexican cooking to that next level, filled with magic, fun, and deliciousness. All right, be well, everyone. Have fun cooking. Please subscribe to our channel, and thank you.